Are you looking for the best massage chairs? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best massage chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iRest A306 Massage Chair. This massage chair automatically scans your body once you turn it on, according to the brand, so it can give you the most ideal massage for your height and size. If you want advanced tech features like voice control, it can listen and respond when you ask it to adjust your massage. While our pros haven't tried this model yet in the lab, we like that the SL track, which covers your entire spine and buttocks, has the potential to reach all over aches and pains you may have. On top of the 3 levels of zero gravity offered that make you feel weightless, plus a soothing foot massager, there's a yoga stretching function that helps stretch out your entire body, the perfect solution after a long day. Number 2. Homedics Shiatsu Elite II Massage Cushion with Soothing Heat. Just because you're tight on space doesn't mean that you can't own a massage chair. Our pros like this portable option, which you can move around your home or put away in a snap when guests come over. It features 3 massage styles, including deep tissue, rolling and spot, and with the included remote you're able to target the zone that needs the most work, whether it's your entire back, upper back and shoulders or your lower back. Our pros also like that you can add light heat to your massage to help relax strained muscles even further, but keep in mind that this chair doesn't recline. Number 3. Osaki OS Champ. We love that this massage chair hits the right spots, from your upper back to your hamstrings. It has 18 airbags built in to help soothe tight muscles with compression, and it reclines to 2 different zero-gravity positions so your body can be at its most neutral state. It also features 5 auto massage modes to choose from, including relax, stretch and lower back. Though our experts haven't tested this pick yet and wish more auto massage modes were available, we like that it has an extendable footrest, so even tall users can take advantage of the built-in foot roller massager. Number 4. Human Touch WholeBody 7.1. Though we haven't tested this chair yet in the lab, our pros agree that its compact design might make it easily mistaken for a classic recliner in your living room. We like that it features a retractable calf massager, which can be folded up to take up less space when you're done with your massage. Though we wish it offered more auto massage programs and that it had a foot massager, our pros love that it comes with a swivel base that makes it easy to rotate to the angle that best suits you, like when you're watching TV. Our pros also appreciate that it's available in 4 colors to match your room decor: white, black, brown and gray.